we're going to make our seedling mix, right? All we're using is multi-purpose compost and Coco Coir compost. So there's a video on my channel about this stuff here, so check that out. This is what I've been using in my seeding mix. It's worked perfectly. Everything's germinated brilliantly, and that's indoors. That's without the use of a propagator or even a heated propagator. It's all germinated perfectly, and a lot of that is down to the mix. The mix, your compost, is really important. It needs to be airy. It needs to hold the water well, and this mix is perfect for that, right? It's one of the main factors of having a good seed mix is the compost. So all we need is your multi-purpose compost, right? You could effectively just sieve out the multi-purpose compost and just use that, right? Seeding mixes can be expensive, but what I've been doing and what's been working really well is mixing it with the Coco Coir compost. And the benefits of those I have spoken about in the video on the channel. Check that out. But to summarize again, it's a really airy medium, and it's great for water retention as well. So that's just perfect. It's a perfect combination for seeds. So I've got some here, and I'm going to be using that in this mix. This is the stuff here. You'll see it really is great for the seedlings. So what we're going to do is grab ourselves a bucket here. I'll use this bucket, and we're just going to get started. So empty bucket. Here's some of the compost. We need a sieve, garden sieve, right? You can get these for about 10 quid. You can use some chicken wire if you want. But effectively, get your sieve, get the compost, and chuck it on. Yeah. The way to do it is to just force it through, sort of like this. Give it a bit of a shake. Right. So you can see what's left is those big clumpy bits that haven't really composted down yet. So those I will chuck in a separate pile because I'll use that for my beds. So just keep doing that. Keep chucking it in and getting the compost sieved. Yeah. And getting rid of what's left over on the top of the sieve, yeah, that bulky stuff. Right, so there you go. You can see, so that's really fine now. If you was to get a potting mix, a seeds mix, that's sort of the consistency it'd be anyway, right? And you've just taken that out of a regular bag of multi-purpose compost. Now to that, I'm going to add our coir or coir. So here it is. There's some bits in here that still need to hydrate. Now this, I don't need to sieve this. Even if I was going to sieve it, I'll just show you. You can see how airy it is. All of it will go through. Yeah. All that's left on there is some of the fibres from the husk. And that's fine. We'll have that because that's what helps with the water retention. So chuck that mix in. And then mix that up. Now, I wouldn't really advise it, but I'm going to chuck a bit of bloodfish and bone in there as well. Right, so there you go. And that is a great, light, airy, good water retention properties seeds mix that I can use to go into little pots just like that. And then seeds to go in there, cover it up, and that's perfect. You can either put that on a sunny windowsill, get it on the propagator, get it on the heated propagator, and that's a great mix for your seeds. Just watch them germinate. All right, hope that was helpful. See you on the next one.